In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check my Fidelity account number. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look on the Fidelity website, how to find it on your official documents, and what to do if it still doesn't show up. Let's start on the Fidelity website. First, sign in to your Fidelity Investments account on the official site. Once you're in, go to the top navigation and open Accounts and Trade, then choose Portfolio. This page shows all of your Fidelity accounts in one place. Select the specific account you're interested in. For many users, the account number appears right under the account name on that page. Sometimes for security, you might see some digits masked. If you don't see the full number right away, look for an account details link or a similarly named section. Open that, and you should find the complete account number along with other key information. If you have more than one account, like a brokerage account, an IRA, or a 529, remember that each account will have its own unique number, so double check that you're viewing the correct one. When you locate it, consider storing it in a secure place and avoid sharing it in emails or texts. You can also find your account number on your official documents. Your monthly statements list the account number, usually near the top of the first page, along with your account name. If you get digital statements, sign in and open your Statements or Documents area, then download the statement you need. Your tax forms, such as year-end forms, also include the account number in the Account Information section. And if you have check writing enabled for a brokerage account, the number appears on your checks. Always keep these documents secure and shred paper copies you no longer need. If you still can't find the number after checking the website and your statements, contact Fidelity Customer Support through the official contact page at fidelity.com/customer service contact us. From there, you can choose the support option that works best for you. Have your personal details ready to verify your identity, and a representative can guide you to the exact screen or confirm your account details securely. Stick to official channels, sign in only on the real Fidelity site, and never share your account number publicly. That's it. Simple, secure ways to find your Fidelity account number whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you navigate your accounts with confidence.